I don't know what this does. I have no idea what it does. It's purple though. That's cool. So now that it runs again and the amperage, the parasitic draw isn't that bad, we can move on to this next couple of issues. So the radiator has a leak. There's an exhaust leak. I should probably do an oil change. We're missing a belt. We should probably replace the timing belt. And a nice variety of other tasks that also need to be done. So, oh, and I have to reassemble the interior as well. So there's all that stuff that has to be done. And probably about 20 other things too that I can't think of right now. But they do need to be done, so let's get right into it. First thing I'm going to do is disconnect the battery so we can put it on the charger. That way it'll start when we hook it up again. Alrighty, well that's pretty hype. But now it's time to get back to the grind again, fix the car again. Yeah. Let me pull out this battery, clean up where the golden wrenches. Oh yeah, before we get started right into all the business end of the business, let's have a look at my epic plan for the sound system. So my thoughts are, look at this big space right here. Useless, right? Useless. Subwoofers on both sides. You get the dual sub on both sides. One here, one there. That would be premium. And then after you get the subs in the back here, then I got to replace all the speakers because they don't really work that well. So we get the speakers in there. Next we have the door panels, right? There's nothing on the door panels. So we take that there's a little door pocket there. We throw some tweeters in there. That'd be hype. That sounds so epic. That'd be an amazing sound system, I swear. So anyways, now I guess we'll get into the business end of the business here. I think it'll be pretty hype.
Sounds pretty hype.
I think it'll be pretty sweet. You get the rear subs, the good speakers, the tweeters. It should go hard. All right.
Can blast Ram Ranch.
Yeah. Bless whatever. Close this door for now. So, I think the first thing that we're going to look at is the exhaust leak. It's underneath there. I think the bolts just need to be tightened up. That's what it looked like when I just had a quick look at it. So let me just go grab the, actually I think we can just slide underneath. Let me grab my glove because it's cold out. Because if I can fix that exhaust leak, it'll make it a lot nicer when I'm driving, even though I don't drive it yet. And it will have to be fixed anyways. So if I can fix it with little effort, that will be for the best. So let's go have a quick look here. So yes, yeah, this is it right here. This bolt is loose. Well, not gonna be as easy as I thought it was. This is so sad. Looks like, yeah, that bolt's broken. Okay, well, that's unfortunate. Yeah, there's black all around there. All right, well, that's unfortunate. Looks like we'll have to deal with that later, after I get some hardware. This needs to go out of the way somewhere. All right. Well, since we can't work on the exhaust right now, we're moving on to the next one. Which I guess we'll do the interior here. I gotta fix this inside. As you can see, we got the premium quality door panel skin thing here. I'm gonna tape that back down. I also have to fix this switch here because where is those pieces? These are kind of broken. These little pieces here are supposed to be inside of this guy here. So we're gonna be fixing that. Let me go grab some tape. I'm actually gonna tape this down real quick. Oh, good. Let me tape this so it stops bothering the crunkle of this plastic.
The crunkle.
Throw some tape on it. Well, that held. Oh, shoot, I need a screwdriver. Oh, wait, actually, no, I don't need a screwdriver. I have the tools in here to do this job. Right here. The good old right angle pick, we got it. Now let's disassemble this Windows mirror control box. Again. Oops. Disassembled. All right. Now I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was in this. Yeah, was it in here? Oh, yes, I remember these now. These were part of this piece, I think. Or something similar. I think they went like this. I may end up just having to get a new one of these. Oh well. Fairly certain they went in kind of like that. And like that. And then you would put the box back together like this. Just gonna take a picture of that port number and then I can cross-reference it and get another one that works. Where's that port? Yes, there we go. Plug this back in. Because the key's not in. The key is in do the windows work. Or mirrors, sorry, mirrors. That's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Get the center console out of the way. Need this piece.
Oh my god.
Yummy, yummy dust. Bites the dusto. Yeah, so there's like 20 clips here. Alright, make sure this is... Oh, wait, this has to go through. Somehow this isn't working. Yes. That's what I'm pretty sure those metal pieces were for, so they go in somehow. I think it was like this. Maybe. No. Okay, well, whatever. We're just going to ignore that for now. No, there should be a... Let's get this foam out of here. Here's the bottom piece. Clicks in like so. No problem. There's some bolts that go in it. They're somewhere around here, I guess. This is the mirror mount. This one just clicks in. Just like that. And then there should be the door handle thingy. Yes, one of the bolts is in there for that one. Which goes like this, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Alright. Now that bolt's gone. God damn it. I'm actually a little confused as to where all these bolts went. There's 2 there, 3 there. Oh, did I put them in here? Let me see. Was I a big brain? Well, there's like 20 bolts in there, so I'm gonna assume that's a yes.
Sometimes my genius is... it's almost frightening.
All right. I gotta fix this part too underneath here. I forgot about this. Don't like my carpet being ugly. So that's supposed to sit perfect. I guess this is supposed to... Those ones... Start tightening up all these bolts. That doesn't fit in that hole. go. Should be a little flat guy, eh? A little flat guy. Well, we're just gonna have to be happy with that for now. What am I sitting on? Oh, the electrical tape. That was really annoying. Oh, there's another bolt here. That looks similar. But it's the wrong bolt. We'll put it in this guy. It'll get at least one bolt holding it on. That's installed. That's good.